In primetime news this evening, a mother's pain. Grieving family speaks in the wake of Clancarthy garbage truck tragedy. Never again. Prime Minister announces potential changes to prevent recurrence of truck incident. And later, no mandatory evacuation. Residents explain their objections in part 2 of our primetime news investigation.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. In just about 2 days, North Americans will celebrate Halloween. The trend has been growing in Jamaica, but is there a market for it? We're talking trick or treat in the business day later on.
Okay, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to sports. Jordan Fort has our preview.
Well, no tricks here, but maybe a treat for Caribbean fans, as the Caribbean Premier League could be heading to the North Coast for the first time, as the top brass of the Jamaica Tallawahs have confirmed that they're thinking of staging matches in Trelawney. More in a Primetime Sports Tuesday.
I'll take treats over tricks anytime. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think can be done to improve safety on school compounds?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.